Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ and today I'm going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 60. Today we will talk about how to create a tab and how to create a group, that is, how we can create our own tabs in MS Excel as per our requirements. For example, we have the Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, and each of these contains different types of commands. We want to create our own personal tab in which we can add all those commands that we use daily, and along with that, we will also learn how to design a group within it. For example, you have a clipboard group, a font group, or an alignment group. So how do you add commands within a group? So today we are going to study all of this in detail. So as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learned something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, to create a tab, you need to go to the File menu. After clicking on File, you need to click on Options and then click on Customize Ribbon. This will open the Customize Ribbon dialog box in front of you. If you can't do it that way, you can right-click on any tab, whether it's the Home tab, Insert tab, or Page Layout tab. Just right-click on any tab. Click on Customize the Ribbon. The same Customize the Ribbon box will open in front of you. Now we are going to create a tab. So when do we want to create the tab? Do you want to create it after Home, after Insert, or after Draw? If we want to insert a new tab after Home, then you need to click on New Tab here. And as soon as we click on New Tab, you can see that New Tab Custom appears here. That means we have created a tab here as per our own preference. Now, if you want to rename it, click on New Tab, then click on Rename, and I have given it a name, My Tab, and after that, we click OK. As soon as we click OK, see a tab named My Tab has now been created for you. Then a group is automatically created below, and what do you need to do for that? To rename the group, you need to click on Rename. For example, see how there are clipboard, font, and alignment. Similarly, when we create a group, you need to rename it here. What name do you want to use for renaming? Alright, let's name it My Most Important Commands here. That means all your important commands will be included in this group. You click OK. See, now you have both a tab and a group created. Now, what are we going to do next? If you want to add commands here, you need to click here. Click on Popular Commands and then select which command you want to add. One important command is the border command. Second, we have the copy command. Third, here we have fill color included. Font style is included here. Format painter is included here. All the commands that you use daily on your document can be easily added here, whether that command is in Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, or anywhere in Data. You just need to click here and select your tab. For example, if you want to take something from the File tab or from the All tab, Main tab, or Tool tab, you just need to click here. As soon as we click, see here we have the relevant commands from that tab now available to us. So by selecting the command in this way, what will we do? We add it and then click OK. So as you can see, after Home, we now have My tab here, and then the group that has been created is named My Most Important Commands. After that, see here, we can select all the cells. By clicking here, you can also apply all border. By selecting these, you can fill color as you wish here, and you can also apply formatting and so on here. You can also convert it to PDF and so on. That is, I have added all the commands here that were important to me. If you want to create another group here, you need to go here again. Right click, click on Customize the ribbon, and then in My tab, you need to click here on the group below. Then after that, click on New Group. You also need to rename this in the same way, and I have named it My Group, and after that, you need to click OK. Now let's come back to this again. We add all the important commands to it as needed and then click OK. See, now you have two groups created, one named My Most Important Command and the other named My Group. If you want to delete either the group or the tab, you need to right-click on that tab again. Click on Customize the ribbon, then select the group you want to remove and click Remove. This will remove your group. Just as you created the group step by step, you can also remove it in the same way. You can also click on My Tab to remove My Tab as well. Besides that, if you click on Reset All Customization here, any changes you have made will automatically be reset. So for now, let's click on My Tab here. We are removing it and clicking OK. See, both My Tab and the group have now been removed. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can create groups and tabs in MS Excel and add your favorite commands to them. I hope you definitely learned something new from today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.